Tired of trading time for money? Welcome to Zilla Mining, the easiest way to earn passive income in Ghana. Start with mining packages from $25 to $10,000 and earn 0.5% to 1% returns daily. Watch your money grow while you sleep, work, or chill with your family. It's completely passive. Invest in gold and cocoa shares, Africa's richest resources, and grow your portfolio with the economy. Mine Bitcoin directly or play to earn games where you literally get paid in crypto for playing. Plus, join our thrilling crypto raffle draws to win big cash and prizes every single week. Sign up in under 2 minutes and start earning today. Thousands are already cashing out daily. Visit zillamining.tech and start your passive income journey now. Let's get that money.